Church Street's beloved and bouffanted hot dog lady, Lois Bodoky, sold some dogs today at Star Farm Nursing Center.
But this is Lois's last hurrah before she leaves for California to be with her daughter. News Channel 5's Charlie Gora picks up the story.
And what would you like on your hot dog? Mustard, ketchup, relish, onion, sauerkraut, chili, cheese, or hot sauce?
So many options for a farewell serving.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I hope you have a great day of business today.
You too.
You may recognize Lois Bodoky as the hot dog lady. Come rain or shine, she served up Frank's on Church Street for nearly 40 years.
I love my job because of the people. I love people.
What you gonna have on her, babe?
She retired in 2005, but on Thursday, Lois got behind the cart one more time.
She's just wonderful. No matter where you go with her, everyone recognizes her.
When she was on the job, she only had one request of her customers.
I wanted them to be hungry, for goodness sakes.
Next week, Lois is moving to California to be with her daughter and to get away from the Vermont winter she worked through.
Got pretty cold. I still feel it in my fingers.
While Lois will be leaving the area, she'll be remembered not only by this plaque here on Church Street, but also by the legacy she leaves behind of having fought for street vendors to work at the marketplace back in the 70s.
City Council didn't want any vending on the street. We went knocking on door to door, and we got so many names of people who wanted the hot dog cart on Church Street, they had to change their mind.
But there's no changing her mind that this was her last time serving hungry customers.
Funny how people don't tire of hot dogs. Do you?
Quite frankly, no. In Burlington, Charlie Gora, News Channel 5.